Warning: this experiment involves corrosive sulfuric acid and hydrobromic acid. This experiment may produce some hydrogen bromide gas. The experiment should be conducted in a professional laboratory with good ventilation conditions. Hydrobromic acid is a commonly used reagent in chemical experiments. In this video, I will introduce a method for making hydrobromic acid in the laboratory. First, weigh 41.16 grams of sodium bromide. Then weigh 14 grams of 98% concentrated sulfuric acid. Weigh 100 grams of water. And slowly pour concentrated sulfuric acid into water to dilute it while stirring. Thus obtaining the raw materials required for the reaction, sodium bromide and dilute sulfuric acid solution. Add sodium bromide to the flask. To avoid bumping of the solution during distillation, don't forget to add some boiling stones. And then add sulfuric acid to it. After the distillation device is all built, the circulating condensate is turned on, and the heating begins. This reaction is actually a metathesis reaction. The principle is to prepare volatile acids from factory volatile acids. Sulfuric acid and sodium bromide reaction to obtain sodium bisulfate and hydrogen bromide. And hydrogen bromide is dissolved in water. With the distillation progress, hydrogen bromide and water will be vaporized together, so as to obtain relatively pure hydrobromic acid. Of course, in this experiment, you can also replace sodium bromide with other bromide, such as potassium bromide, ammonium bromide. The reason why the solution turns red is because there is a side reaction. Sulfuric acid reacts with sodium bromide to produce bromine, sulfur dioxide. At the end of the experiment, a large number of bubbles began to appear in the flask, because the remaining material in the flask is mainly sodium bisulfate. And generally after this phenomena, the heating can be stopped. And if the heating is not stopped in time, the sodium bisulfate in the flask will begin to melt and decompose, thus affecting the purity of the distillate product. At the end of the experiment, this was the hydrobromic acid solution we got from the collection bottle. Thanks for watching.